No more waiting. أنا مش عايزة عربية. سافر وحش عشان شرطة مستنية. لا.
عايزين الرخص.
Good morning, guys. So time to leave Aswan back to Luxor. Getting a little bit of later start than I normally do. It's 7 a.m., 7:15, but that's all right. Bags on the bike. Let's hit the road, and hopefully I don't get followed the entire way. شرام وهيش هنا ها؟ أنا حرانة. I'm gonna check my phone.
Can I wait for two commander to come, please?
ممكن.
في
ايه؟ في ايه؟
الله يخليك يا قائد، الله يبارك فيك، الافراح يا نارة شدينا قائد. عايزين رخص.
رخص؟ رخص ايه؟
رخص مستك.
ايه ده رخص؟
دراجة نارية.
ايه؟
نشوف الدراجة.
GPS وهاش؟
لا حلو.
مش حلوة هنا. الرايب مش الرايب.
ظابط.
صورة.
الظابط عاوز صورة.
ايه؟
الظابط.
لا اسفة انا اتكلم شوية عربي.
عربي عاوز الظابط الرخص عشان هتستلمك عربية من هنا. بس من مكة يعني هنروح عند الدين.
انت عايز انا مستنى هين؟
هنقعد بس فوق.
You can wear a little hat.
انا مش عايزة كتير، انا حرانة.
هنديك كله.
Wait. شوف.
Camera.
Camera. Oh yeah, it's filming.
To live or?
Eh? اهدى. ليه؟
انت هتزوري؟
ايه؟
هتزوري
انا اروح الاقصر دلوقتي.
طب اقعدي بس بتقول لك
انا مش عايزة مستنينا اكتر. I keep waiting. No, they keep telling me 5 minutes. No, I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of fucking waiting. So fucking tired. I'm going to Luxor. No more waiting.
عشان نأمنك بس في عربية هتروح معاك.
لا أنا مش عايزة عربية، أنا سافر كل الدنيا لوحدي، أنا تعبانة كتير، ما سافر وحش عشان شرطة مستنية، أنا أروح الأقصر، أنا سواقة الأقصر، أنا مش عايزة مستنية. No.
Please.
No, I'm not doing it. لا.
وقفي بس دقيقة واحدة.
Alright guys, so made it back to Bob Marley house in Luxor. Not sure if it was recording, I'm pretty sure it was, that exchange with the police. I'm just tired of them following me. You know, I've accepted it, I don't mind it on the desert roads. Oh, shukran.
Someone say I give you 500.
It's 500 for the jacket. Should have said yes.
2 jackets
Oh.
and scarf and bottle of water.
Oh, my water. Shukran. Thank you, Mohammed. But yes, I don't mind them following me on the desert roads. It's when I get stopped at a checkpoint and they tell me to wait. I'm not waiting. You're eating into my time of day driving. I'm sitting in the hot sun with all my gear on. So I got stopped at a checkpoint. I made a little video and then I just kept going with an escort. No, actually I didn't. I said I'm not waiting anymore. And then I did like the arrested like hand motion. I was like, you gonna arrest me? No? Okay, I'm leaving. They can catch up to me. I was like, I drive slowly. On a sweat of bishwish. El Arabia Egri, you know, the car's fast. You can catch up with me. So yeah, I left and then really soon after I had a tail. It was not like a normal police car, but some kind of security, and they followed me for a little bit. And they were like, I was on these back roads and they said, oh wait, we'll get up with the police soon. I was like, okay. And then I was with the police there, and yeah, it was a whole exchange, and I was like, I'm not waiting. I don't know, I hope it was recording, but yeah, they're like, wait, and I'm like, I'm not fucking waiting. I just acted more angry than I actually was, but I'm just tired of having to wait for an exchange following me. And through the smaller towns and villages, it is annoying because I can go faster on a motorbike. I can squeeze through trucks and in between these speed bumps, and it's just, you know, sometimes they're honking, putting their sirens on, drawing attention. I want to go through the towns and villages on my own and experience it on my own. So if they want to follow me through the desert roads, if they're just behind me, fine. But I'm not waiting for this anymore. So anyways, back in Luxor, I'm going to spend the night here, and then I continue up the Nile towards Cairo, see how far I can make it. But destination is, again, Minya. I was planning on following the Nile road, but I have a feeling it's just a lot slower because of the towns and villages and speed bumps and traffic and police checkpoints. So I think I'm going to take the desert road again. That's the plan now. Anyways, it's still pretty early. I got here in like a few hours. And I think I'm just gonna relax, chill out, maybe have some beers, hang out with whoever's here in the hostel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the road tomorrow. Catch you on the next one.